Hi everyone, here's a quick tutorial to walk you through today's synonyms and antonyms activities for your word work. So when you go into your Sadly or Connect online platform, the same way you did yesterday, you're going to see another assignment added to your list. And this is synonyms and antonyms. Now, you can click on that and get to the assignment, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I also wanted to bring your attention to what's now going to be showing up on the left-hand side of your screen. There are going to be different vocabulary workshop textbooks. We are working in the one that's orange, okay? So if you click on any others, it's not going to match up with the word you're studying. So you might want to even click this star just to remind yourself that you want the orange. So if you click on that, basically what you're being brought into is your workbook, which you don't have yet. You'll have it when you come into school. That's online. So there are some student resources like a pronunciation key. Let me just show you what that looks like. Just shows you how to pronounce certain vowels and consonants. There's some good test taking strategies. That's just for your information. But what you really want to pay attention to is the unit that you are in. So we are in Unit 1. So if you click on that, there's going to be some things that are available to you. Now, these are not the same as assignments. Assignments you're going to find in that first screen that I showed you, and we'll go back to that. But just so you know, you can always return to the words that were given to you last week. This was the story that I had asked you to read. I had given you a copy of that on a Google slide. With this particular story, you can also listen to it now. So I really recommend that you go back to the story and have a listen to the words being used in a story. And the other thing that I want to point out is that you also have your definitions here. And again, this is the word list that you were working with last week in your word work activities. It just gives you each word and it brings you to its pronunciation. This is how you pronounce it, part of speech that it is, the meaning of the word, it's being used in a sentence, its synonym, and there are some antonyms too. Remember, synonym is a word that means the same, and antonym is a word that means the opposite. So those are two resources that I wanted to point out to you. But when you click back on your assignments icon, you're going to come back to your assignment list. You were assigned the beginning of the year diagnostic on Monday. For Tuesday, you're going to be working with synonyms and antonyms. So if you click on the assignment, just like before, there were multiple choice options for each question. They want you to select the word that is nearly the same in meaning as a word or phrase. In boldface, thanked her for her guidance. Does guidance mean celebrity, pledge, counsel, or a stampede? And by the way, your word list is here. So if you're like, I don't remember what counsel means, you click on it and they're going to give you the definition right there. So this is a practice page that you've been assigned. You can save it as you go along, and when you're done and you're ready to submit, you go ahead and do that. So again, when you're back on your home page, you will see your assignments here, but don't forget to click on your online workbook, click on the unit, and reread the story, become familiar with the definitions, and there are also some interactive activities that you can do. There's a matching game with antonyms and synonyms, and that is what I recommend you play as additional practice for today's word study.